Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert curve shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert curve shapes in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click shapes option. And we can see here many shapes. We find and select the curve shape. Now this is a curve shape and we insert it. Now we can see here we insert the curve shape very easily and we change this shape color. Go to the format menu and click shape fill, then change the shape color and change shape outline, and you can apply some style in these shapes. Click the style drop down menu and apply some style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.